The delta to Y interactive calculator transforms impedance values between delta and Y configurations in three-phase electrical systems. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 5 options: delta to Y conversion, Y to delta conversion, balanced delta to Y, balanced Y to delta, and power comparison balanced. For this demonstration, I'm using delta to Y conversion. The input fields are ZAB in ohms, ZBC in ohms, and ZCA in ohms for the delta impedances, plus ZA in ohms, ZB in ohms, and ZC in ohms for the Y impedances. There's also balanced delta impedance Z delta in ohms, balanced Y impedance ZY in ohms, line voltage VL in volts, and impedance per phase in ohms. Let's calculate with ZAB, ZBC, and ZCA all set to 30 ohms. After clicking Calculate Transformation, the results show Z_A equals 10.0000 ohms, Z_B equals 10.0000 ohms, and Z_C equals 10.0000 ohms. The sum of delta Z equals 90.0000 ohms. The system identifies this as a balanced delta system, confirming that ZY equals Z delta divided by 3, which gives us 10.0000 ohms per phase. This calculator streamlines complex three-phase impedance transformations for power system analysis. Find the link in the description below.